Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete the last 15 minutes of search result in your Google app on the iPhone. Now, this is a new feature implemented to increase your privacy. So let's say if you wanted to buy a gift for your partner and then you don't want them to know about your search, you can simply go in here and delete the last 15 minutes of search, and all of that history will be gone and no one will be able to find out about your search activity in the last 15 minutes. It's very easy to use. Now what you can do is, first let's go back to your home screen and open up the Google app, and in here you want to tap on your profile icon, and from the pop-up all you have to do is tap on delete last 15 minutes and it will say deleting search history from your Google account. Changes will show, and that's it. So it will basically remove all of your search results in the last 15 minutes that you have performed. Now this feature has recently rolled out, so it is relatively new. You may not be able to see it in here. If you do not see it, then I suggest that you go to the App Store and update the Google app. So go to App Store and then type in Google. So type in Google and then go down here, and if your app is old, there should be an update button. So tap on the update button and Google will update to the latest version. Once it is updated, then you should be able to see this option becomes available. If you do not see it available, make sure that you update the app, and then all you have to do is just simply close the app. So just close the app completely from your recent, so close it completely, and then tap on Google again to reload the page, and then simply tap on the profile icon and choose delete last 15 minutes, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.